In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to complete your subscription with confidence. First, open the Perplexity website in your preferred browser. Give the page a moment to fully load and make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection. Once the workspace appears, you're ready to move on. On the left side of the interface, look for the Upgrade button. It sits within the main navigation panel, alongside other options you might use regularly. Click Upgrade to open the subscription page. If you don't see it right away, try widening your browser window or refreshing the page so the sidebar is fully visible. On the upgrade screen, you'll see a section labeled Personal. Here, you can choose between the Pro plan or the Max plan. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions on the page so you can match your choice to your usage needs and budget. If you anticipate heavier usage or want the most robust experience available, Max may be the better fit. If your needs are more moderate, Pro could be just right. There's no wrong answer. Pick the option that aligns with how you plan to use the tool. You'll also notice categories for education and business. If you're a student, educator, or part of an academic institution, you can explore education options tailored to that context. If you're upgrading for a team, department, or company use, check the business section for plans that support collaborative workflows and centralized billing. Feel free to select the category that best represents your situation. Once you've chosen a plan, proceed to payment. Enter your card details carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your billing details. Double-check the plan you've selected, reviewed totals, and any applicable taxes that may appear. If your browser offers to save your card, consider whether that's appropriate for your device. When everything looks correct, complete the checkout to subscribe. After the payment processes, you should see a confirmation on the screen, and your account will reflect the new plan shortly. You may notice plan indicators or features becoming available right away. If anything seems delayed, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's it. Opening the Perplexity website, clicking the Upgrade button on the left, selecting your preferred plan under Personal, Education, or Business, and entering your card details to successfully subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded experience.